Bandit's looking at the cardinal. The cardinal's telling Bandit, get out of my tree. It's a mother and father cardinal. The mother's up there. Where's she going? Two mother cardinals. And one hungry pussycat. Whoa. I think somebody's in heat. Stupid beast. Bandit's watching you carefully. Just come on down and say hello. Bandit. Bandit, are you looking for those birds? Oh, they took off. Now they're way over there. I know. Look at that cat. Hi. Whoa. She's a monkey cat. She's a monkey. Bandit, how did you jump from one branch to the other? How did you get over there? How do you do it? The tail's working. You are one climbing cat. You are one climbing cat. Whoa. Hi, Bandit.